So today is the day I was waiting for a very long time. It's all because of the massive evolution in mobile world. This evolution comes from Samsung's industry, and I guess you all know what I'm really talking about. The Samsung Galaxy F, which struck rumor mills about 3 years before, which is a pretty long phase, and you can get an idea of how much I'm hyped about this beast, or maybe we should call it an innovation. An innovation that took so long to get to the actual human hands. Now moving to the main highlight of the day, Samsung has just confirmed that they will unveil the UI for their upcoming foldable phone at developer conference holding next week. The company's managing director Liu Kyung-tae made this announcement in a conference call alongside Samsung's Q3 2018 financial results. He didn't disclose more info and said that the full difference between existing smartphone interfaces and the one Samsung will use for its foldable phone will be revealed at the event. We all know that it's gonna be different and special, but the only question that strikes to my mind, and I can't really resist, is that how Samsung will make it possible. Obviously, a foldable phone needs to be way durable and resistant than the phones we are using right now. There is a lot of confusion on the design aspect of Galaxy F, as we just don't know how the display will work, what position will the camera modules accommodate, and a lot more. I have good hopes on the future developer conference, and probably we'll get to know about the mystery phone. So yeah, tell me your thoughts about this in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow in my next video. Till then, peace out.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it.